Using Uber app for the first time is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Uber app for the first time. So as we know that Uber is an app which lets you deliver food as well, and you can book a ride or book a cab as well. So how can you use that? In order to use that, you simply have to open up your Uber application. You will see either these two options. If you want to get a ride or you want to order food, you just have to tap on get a ride, and you will see this page which should show map with your location in it. And there you have to select wherever you want to go. Suppose you want to go to work, you will have a work in this case they have marked the location name and name the location as work. But in your case you have to you can also select the location to the map as well. After selecting the location, as we know that there's a proper guideline, you just have to choose the destination. After that, the driver will come to pick you up. You just need to meet your driver, check that. You can check that by the ODP and other verification as well. After that, you can simply sit back and relax. He will drive you to your destination. You can pay to the driver. You have to pay to your driver, and then you can rate how good the service of the driver was. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.